Mars, the fourth planet in our solar system, has, for a very long time, been a topic of intrigue for both professional scientists and amateur space enthusiasts. Many people have pondered the possibility that Mars could one day support human habitation because of its close proximity to Earth and its striking resemblance to our own planet. Terraforming is the process of changing a planet's atmosphere, temperature, and surface in order to make it more habitable for life. This method can be used to make a planet habitable. But is it even possible to make Mars habitable? To answer your question in a nutshell, yes, it is conceivable to terraform Mars with current technology. Nevertheless, the procedure would be extremely difficult, and it would call for a huge investment of time, finances, and technology. There are a few different approaches that have been suggested for terraforming Mars, and each one comes with its own unique set of difficulties and potential drawbacks. Warming up Mars' atmosphere is currently considered to be one of the most promising strategies for terraforming the planet. At this time, Mars has an extremely low atmospheric pressure and its atmosphere is primarily made up of carbon dioxide. The release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and methane, is one method that scientists have proposed for warming the Earth. This would allow heat from the sun to be trapped and cause the temperature of the planet to rise, which in turn would force the frozen water reserves on the planet to melt and create liquid water on the surface of the planet. However, there are several difficulties associated with using this strategy. To start, there would be a substantial need for a lot of resources and advanced technology in order to release a lot of greenhouse gases into Mars' atmosphere. In addition, it may take hundreds or even thousands of years for the process to entirely warm up the Earth. Because of this, it would be a long-term project that would demand consistent effort and funding. The production of a magnetic field all the way around Mars is yet another strategy that has been proposed for terraforming the planet. Mars does not have a worldwide magnetic field at the moment, which implies that the planet is not shielded from the effects of solar winds and radiation. This has resulted in the atmosphere of the planet being depleted over the course of time, making the environment even less conducive for life. The scientists propose putting a massive magnetic shield at the L1 Lagrange point, which is halfway between Mars and the Sun. This will allow them to generate a magnetic field. Because of this shield's ability to deflect solar winds and radiation away from the planet's atmosphere would be better protected, and the planet would become more habitable. However, this approach does not come without its share of difficulties. The development of a magnetic shield would call for a large investment of both finances and technology. Furthermore, once constructed, the shield would require ongoing upkeep to guarantee that it continues to perform its intended function. In addition, it is unknown how long it would take for the shield to have a discernible effect on the conditions of Mars' atmosphere and surface. In conclusion, while it is true that terraforming Mars is theoretically conceivable, doing so would be an extremely challenging operation that would demand for a large investment of money, technology, and time. There are a few different approaches that have been suggested for terraforming the planet, and each one comes with its own unique set of difficulties and potential drawbacks. In the end, the question of whether or not Mars may be terraformed will come down to human capacity to surmount these obstacles and continue investing in the project over the course of an extended period of time.